Hey guys, welcome to Arihant Online Academy. In this video, we will learn about Penter's algorithm. We will see all the concept of Penter's algorithm, why it is used, where it get drawbacked, and what is the purpose of Penter's algorithm, right? So let's discuss. Basically, the Penter's algorithm is also known as priority fill. It is one of the simplest solution to the visibility problem in 3D computer graphics. Okay, so when we talk about the three-dimensional computer graphics, so there may consist of some visibility problem, right? Suppose if you want to convert any images to different dimension, or if you want to see the each and every part of image clearly, then there might some divergence or there might some kind of visibility problem, right? So to solve that visibility problem in an images, the priority fill algorithm, or you can say that Penter's algorithm, is used, right? So when to use this, right? So when we have to use the Penter's algorithm, when projecting a 3D scene onto a 2D plane. Suppose we want to plane a 3D scene onto a 2D plane, right? Then it's necessary at some point to decide which polygon are visible and which are hidden, right? So to make clearly that the portion which are visible and to make the portion that which are hidden, so we use Penter's algorithm there, right? Now what are the technique behind that, right? So painting distant parts of each before part, so we are painting distant parts, okay, so which are the farthest जो दूर है, right, of a distance before parts which are nearer, means जो दूर के parts है उनको पहले हम पेंट करेंगे, then जो पास वाले part है उनको, thereby covering some areas of different parts. The Penter's algorithm sorts all the polygons in a scene by their depth and then paints them in this order farthest to closest, right? So the Penter's algorithm basically sorts all the polygons in a scene by their depth. By their depth they will sort and then paint them in the order from farthest to closest, right? Now what are the key concepts? The key concept of the Penter's algorithm is the ordering used by the algorithm is called as depth order. In depth order they will sort, right, and does not have to respect the numerical distance to the parts of the scene, right? The essential property of this ordering is rather that if one object obscure part of another, then first object is painted after the object that is obscure. Means if there are some different parts in the images and one is covering the other, then we will paint the first one that is covering the second one, right? So that we can make visible to the first part and we can hide the part of second object, right? Thus a valid ordering can be described as a topological ordering of directed acyclic graph representing occlusion between objects, right? So you can see this concept throughout these images. Suppose this is the image, right? Then you will paint the mountains first, right? You should have to paint in the farthest parts first. So you will paint the farthest part of the image, that is the mountains you will paint first. After that the meadows, the grounds or the grass, whatever you can say or you feel, you will first fill them or you will paint them, and after that you will fill the trees, right? Some trees are at the farthest and some are at the closest, so you will fill farthest first and then you will fill out the nearer one. So basically the order of the filling would be, we will sort the objects in the order of depth, mountain, meadows and trees, right? And we will fill in the same order. The farthest will be painted first and the nearer will be painted last, right? Now what are the drawbacks? Suppose algorithm fails in some cases where it is difficult to observe that which object is over other, means which are overlapping other. When in 3D graphic many times divulsion, or you can say that the many times you can confuse that which objects is covering or overlapping other, okay? So in that cases this algorithm may fails, okay? So to solve that there are many other algorithms which have discovered, right? So this is the drawback of Penter's algorithm. Now let's discuss the important point, reverse Penter's algorithm. Many times it may ask that what are the reverse Penter's. So it is the basically just reverse of the Penter's algorithm. Means when we sort out the object and painted the depth first one after and nearer one later, right? So in reverse painter's algorithm, objects nearest to the viewer are painted first. Okay, so object nearest to the painted will be painted first, with the rule that paint must never be applied to part of the images that are already painted, excluding transparent images. Suppose there is some images which have transparent part, excluding that, we will only we will never apply part of the images that are already painted. Okay, and we will just paint the parts which are not painted. Okay, and we will paint the part of the images which are nearest to us, right? And after that we will paint the closest farthest one in reverse painted algorithm, right? So in this video we have discussed about the painter's algorithm and reverse painter algorithm. I hope you have understand all this concept. Further, if you have any kind of query or doubt, you can comment us, or you can leave your comment on our social web page also, so that we can solve your query as early as possible on our social web pages. The description link of the web pages, the social website links are given in our description section, so that we can solve your doubts and queries there, right? So I hope. Further, if you have any kind of query, you can comment or leave your comment here also, right? So kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon button, so that you can't miss any of the important videos from our side when we will update you from in important concepts or the important job notifications like that. So let's have a nice day. Thank you so much, guys. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.